Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss some of the most important instructions released by the Commission of Entrance Examination in their official website about key admit card, dress code, COVID-19 guidelines, as well as some of the most important instructions for the candidates and parents. We know that Kerala Engineering, Architecture, Agriculture and Medical Entrance Exam is a state level exam conducted by the Commission of Entrance Examination. And it offers admission to interested candidates in B.Tech, B.Pharm, Architecture, Medical and Allied courses at various government and private colleges in India. So first we are going to discuss about the admit card. We know that CE has released the admit card yesterday. So the admit card is only available through online mode. And it contains information about the exam venue, exam time, exam date, the candidate's name, guardian name, etc. And the most important thing to remember is admit card will not be sent by post to any candidates. It will be available only through online mode. Now let's discuss about how to download KEAM Hall ticket. For that, you have to visit the official website, that is cee.kerala.gov.in. When we enter through the window, in the first section itself we can see KEAM 2021 candidate portal. And when we click through it, we are going to the next page and it contains the various information about KEAM. And the bottom of the page contains the candidate login. In the candidate login page, you have to enter your application number, password and the access code given below. After giving all these things, you have to click on the login button. After clicking on the login button, we are going to the next page which contains all the information related to you. And we can see 3 lines embedded on the left side of the page. And when you click on it, you can see your profile, COVID-19 guidelines, admit card. What you have to do is click on the admit card and the admit card will be downloaded on your phone. Please be noted, visit any internet cafe or Akshaya center near you to take the print of the admit card as soon as possible. Now we can discuss about the dress code for KEAM 2021. As per COVID-19 guidelines, candidates must wear their own mask and gloves. And all the candidates should bring a personal hand sanitizer. One of the most important thing to remember is candidates are not allowed to carry or wear any jewelry to the exam center. As per rules and regulations, KEAM exam doesn't have a much elaborate dress code, but candidates are required to wear only simple and light dress. And no metallic items are allowed. Try to wear slippers or sandals and avoid wearing shoes. Now let's discuss the guidelines issued in the background of COVID-19 for the KEAM 2021 examination. So first we can see the guidelines issued for the candidates. Candidates appearing for the examination should follow strict social distancing norms, wear masks properly, and undergo mandatory thermal scanning at the venue. And those who report with the physical discomfort due to the illness or show higher body temperature at the venue are supposed to appear for the examination by adhering to the special safety instruction of the official concerned. Candidates must carry essential items such as drinking water, food, and pen for the examination and should not exchange these under any circumstances. Inside the examination hall, candidates have to strictly follow instructions of the invigilator. During interval time, candidates should not crowd or socialize with other candidates. They should strictly observe social distancing norms. Candidates must occupy their allotted seat inside the examination hall and should follow social distancing norms. Unnecessary movements inside the hall is prohibited. Reporting of candidates at the scheduled time for examination as shown in the admit card is mandatory. Early reporting at the venue and crowding are strictly prohibited. Those candidates appearing for forenoon and afternoon sessions of the examination should carry food and drinking water. Under no circumstances, candidates will be permitted to go outside the venue during interval time. The contact information of CEE representative of each venue is provided in the admit card issued to the candidates. For those requiring assistance, can contact the CEE representatives. Those under quarantine, candidates with the symptoms of illness, or those who are COVID positive should contact the CE representative in the phone number given in the admit card on the previous day itself. Inform the matter and also obtain instructions for reaching the venue. Such candidates and their parents should reach the venue only in vehicles specially arranged by them, keeping distance from other candidates, and enter the specially arranged examination room following strict safety protocol. And parents should leave the examination venue immediately after dropping these candidates and also reach back after the examination as per instruction by the CE representative of the venue. Those candidates who report with the physical discomfort due to illness on the day of examination or show high body temperature will have to follow the directions of volunteers and reach specially arranged room keeping distance from other candidates. Candidates leaving the venue after examination should not assemble near the premises of the venue or nearby bus stand. They should leave the venue strictly according to the time schedule given by the school authorities. Used masks and gloves should not be thrown carelessly. They should be deposited in the places provided by the purpose. Spare masks should be carried to cover the entire duration of the examination. So these are the instructions for the candidates. Now let's look at the directions for the parents of candidates. Parents should not enter the examination venue. Parents should ensure that candidates follow all safety protocol. Also, they should ensure that candidates are carrying items such as pen, water, food, mask, and sanitizer. After dropping candidates in front of the venue, parents should immediately leave the premise and avoid traffic hydrants. Under no circumstances, parents are allowed to crowd in front of the venue or park their vehicles blocking smooth traffic. This has to be strictly followed. Crowding in front of gate violating social distance norm is punishable. Candidates coming out of the venue after examination should be picked up from a safe place away from the gate of the venue. So these are the instructions for both candidates and parents prescribed by CA. So all the best to all the keen aspirants.